AC voltage measurement, DC regulated power supply measurement display. AC voltage measurement using transformer. Data to detect whether the line is on or off. Resistance measurement. Both sides can be measured. DC current measurement. AC current measurement, necessary in series when measuring. NCV non-contact induction voltage, safe to use. Zero firewire identification. Connect the red pen. Use the test pen to take a single measurement. Capacitance measurement of household appliances shows that you can discharge force when measuring capacitance. Measurement, positive and negative poles need to be aligned. Resistance measurement, both sides can be measured.